In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file in Notion. We're going to keep this simple and focus on one of the fastest ways to do it, using what's called a slash command. This method works on any Notion page, whether it's a personal note, a project dashboard, or a shared team workspace. First, open the Notion page where you want to add your file. Click anywhere on the page to place your text cursor. This can be at the bottom of an existing page, in between other blocks, or in a completely blank area. Once your cursor is active, type /file. That's the / followed by the word file, all one word. As soon as you type file, Notion will show you a suggestion for a file block. This is Notion's way of letting you quickly insert different types of content with shortcut commands. With the file option highlighted, press Enter on your keyboard. This confirms that you want to create a file block on the page. When you press Enter, Notion will open a small window or menu connected to that new file block. In this window, you'll see different options for where your file can come from. To upload something directly from your computer, click on the tab labeled Upload. This tells Notion that you want to bring in a file stored locally on your device, rather than linking to something online. After you click the Upload tab, a standard file selection window will appear from your operating system. Here, navigate to the folder where your file is saved. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct version of the file, especially if you have multiple similar documents. Click once on the file you want to use, then click the Open button in that window. Notion will now start uploading your file to the page. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, this might take a moment. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file displayed as a block on your page, ready for you or your collaborators to download or open later. If needed, you can click and drag this file block to move it to a different spot on the page, just like any other Notion block. And that's all you need to upload a file in Notion using the / command.